I will show you how to use if-else statement. We will create a program that will display whether the inputted text is equals to the declared value of the text box. So for that, we need to change the caption of the button. Test. The name of the text box. And the name of the command button. So let's type the syntax. So first, need to type if txt test the dot text, the name of the text box is equals to, we will declare a specific name, for example Mark, then message box dot show correct. So if the inputted text is equals to Mark, then the message box will show the text correct, else message box dot show incorrect. So let's try the program. We'll type Mark as a declared name. So the message box showed that the text inputted was correct. We'll input another one and click test. The message box showed that the inputted text is incorrect. So in the statement, if the first condition is correct, the statement will do and display message box. The second statement else, which means that if text is not equal to Mark, the message box will show incorrect. So this is the syntax of if-else statement.